All right, so we're going to use the law of cosine, and we are looking for little a. So I've got big A, and I need little a, so I'm going to use this formula right here. Everybody see it?
Yeah.
So the 14.3 is little b, and the 27.9 is little c. Does everybody see that?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to put it in the formula. And we've got little a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c times cosine of big A. And you just put all of that in the calculator, and that's going to give you a squared. So what do I have to do at the end? 103.2 is going to be the biggest angle in that triangle. So little a is going to be the biggest side in the triangle. So you know it has to be bigger than 14.3 and 27.9. And it is. So go ahead and tell me what you got. Put it in your calculator. So a squared was over a little over 1,000 or something.
Yeah.
And then a is 34.1.